right, wheelies. Hey, he's practicing it in a closed course. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Ugh. It was a beautiful bike.
I scraped my knee on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a bad one, you guys.
The thing is, we're practicing in a little ditch, you know, like a concrete ditch. Closed course, no pedestrians, nobody that we're gonna hit. You do it here. You probably good traction too. Watch out for debris. There's probably a lot of gravel because of the water flowing through. But he went a little too far up. Now, one thing he did say. Let's listen.
12 o'clock. I scraped my knee on that one.
I scraped my knee on that one. Just that. You can rip your patella off. Guys, scrape your knee on it. Okay, don't wear sweats. Don't wear sweats. So wear some gear. Okay, that could easily be a torn patella. Okay, two motorcycles about to go lane splitting, or by splitting lanes. Okay, whatever. There's one. Hey, decent speed. We're doing decent speed. Whoa. Too fast. Oh, there it is. Second bike was going way too fast. Too fast. Oh, man. We're going to talk a little bit about this one. There's a few things. Oh, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's still on the ground. Whoa, are you going to help him out? Who here would have helped him out? In this situation, what stage should you be in? Okay, we should be in orange stage. It's a rhetorical question. I'm going to answer it myself. We should be in orange stage because we don't have good space. Not space. We don't have good escape routes. We have good line of sight. Okay, when we plan our ride, we position ourselves for safety for good line of sight, good space cushions, and then good escape paths. Good line of sight, great. We have a great space cushion because we basically have to stop from way over here to here. Now, what is the other problems that we have now, though? We have escape paths to the left or right. We can't do that because we have vehicles in the way. So that's the biggest scary thing here when it comes to lane filtering. So if you understand that, maybe roll off or throttle, maybe go only 10 over the current speed of these vehicles, and when it's safe to do so, get yourself back into the lane so that way you can have good line of sight, escape past everything. All right, so right here, this is what I want to point out. Why is all of a sudden all the traffic slowing down? Now, without obviously understanding what happened prior, we saw that there's vehicles or that motorcycle going hauling ass. Without even seeing that, if all of a sudden we see vehicles backed up, that should be that uncommon thing in a common situation to where we should be concerned. So we don't know if people are going to start switching lanes to jockey for good position to go faster. So always be careful with that, especially when you're lane filtering. That's typically when you do lane filter when it's like this. So be very, very careful of lane mergers. So here's the situation where you start to see a motorcycle rider downed. Now, what is it that you can do to help them? Now, this guy's got an adventure bike, so maybe he's got some panniers, maybe, I think that's how you say it, some saddlebags or whatever. You might want to go ahead and invest into a trauma kit, start getting some of the stuff that you need. You know, we got tourniquets, trauma shears, we got a CPR mask, we got a bunch of blood controlling cloth, which is just 4x4s and stuff like that. And you can maybe help out the rider. It looks like he's on the ground right there. It's this guy, and there he is. Look how far away the bike is to him. So he was ejected and flew maybe. Hopefully this rider over there didn't get injured and is helping out and assisting. But man, look, you see the damage? What do you think happened? Maybe he hit this person back here, and then the person pulled over. I don't know. But the thing is, you got to be very careful with that. Start to recognize. This is the scene survey, scene size up. So those of you that want to be EMTs, I saw it in the chat earlier when we're in the front lobby. This is where you start to dive into what can I do? What can I do? What does it look like that is possibly an injury or incident? Anything. How do I position myself for safety? In this situation, pull over here so you're out of the way. Get yourself over there and help that rider if you can. If you can't help him, or if it looks like there's plenty of people helping him, you can take off. It's up to you. You don't have to. But here's the thing. All these people standing around, they probably don't have medical training.